In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a title to an existing chart in Excel. Adding a clear, descriptive title to your Excel charts is crucial for effective data communication, as it immediately tells your audience what they're looking at. If you have an existing chart that currently lacks a title, or perhaps you've hidden it and want to bring it back, the process is quite straightforward. We'll start by making sure your chart is selected. This is an important first step because Excel needs to know which chart you intend to modify. Once your chart is selected, you'll notice a set of small buttons appearing around its top right corner. The button we're interested in looks like a green plus sign. This is Excel's Chart Elements button, and it provides quick access to a range of features for customizing your chart's appearance and components. Go ahead and click this green plus sign. When you click it, a pop-up menu will appear, presenting you with various options to add or remove specific elements from your chart, such as axes, data labels, legend, and of course the chart title. This menu is designed to give you precise control over what information your chart displays. Once you've clicked the green plus sign, the Chart Elements menu will be visible. Among the list of elements, you'll see an option labeled Chart Title. By default, if your chart doesn't have a title, this box might be unchecked. To add the title, simply click on the checkbox right next to Chart Title. As soon as you click it, a placeholder title will immediately appear on your chart, usually positioned at the top center. This placeholder text commonly reads Chart Title, or in some cases, Excel might intelligently try to infer a title based on your data selection, although this isn't always accurate. The appearance of this placeholder confirms that the title element has been successfully added to your chart. If you happen to already have a title showing, clicking this checkbox will simply reinforce its presence, or bring up the default if it was modified in a way that hid it without completely removing the element. It's a very flexible way to manage your chart's core components. With the chart title element now displayed on your chart, the next logical step is to customize it to something meaningful and descriptive for your specific data. As mentioned, the default chart title placeholder is rarely what you'll want to keep. To edit the title, simply click directly on the placeholder text on your chart. You'll see a text box appear around it, indicating that it's now editable. You can then delete the default text and type in your desired title. For instance, if your chart visualizes sales data for a particular region, you might type Quarterly Sales Performance minus North Region. Make sure your title is concise, clear, and accurately reflects the content of your chart. Once you've typed your new title, you can click outside the text box to finalize the entry. Additionally, Excel provides various formatting options to enhance your title's appearance. While the title text box is selected, you can use the Home tab on the Excel ribbon to change the font style, size, color, make it bold or italic, just like any other text in Excel. You can also right-click the title and select Format Chart Title to open a dedicated pane with more advanced options for text effects, alignment, and even fill-in border settings. Taking the time to craft a clear and visually appealing title will significantly improve the readability and impact of your data visualization.